A cafe mocha grande contains 16 ounces of a mixture of coffee and chocolate, which is 40% coffee by volume. How much of the mixture should be removed and replaced by an equal volume of chocolate so that the resulting cafe mocha will be 25% coffee by volume? So let's say kanina box is mo na siya ato ang mixture na coffee mocha grande that is 16 ounces. Then 40% daw ani is coffee. So sa to pa 60% is chocolate. Then kanina mixture is minusan daw siya og certain amount, then pulihan siya og equal amount of chocolate. So purely chocolate imong i-add after. So that is 100% chocolate. Para ang resulta na mixture is still 16 ounces, pero this time dapat 25% na lang daw ang coffee. So therefore 75% ang imuhang chocolate. Okay? So solving, we have 16 ounces times 40% coffee minus x times 40% coffee plus x times 0% coffee is equal to 16 ounces times 25% coffee. Ang masolve ninyo is 6 ounces. Or let's say, ang inyong pag-solve is 16 times 60% chocolate minus x times 60% chocolate plus x times 100% chocolate is equal to 16 times 75% chocolate. Same lang gihapon inyong makuha na answer, that is equal to 6. Number 2, a group consists of n engineers and n nurses. If 2 of the engineers are replaced by 2 other nurses, then 51% of the group members will be nurses. Find the value of n. So, nado kay n engineers and n nurses. Then, ang n engineers daw is giminusan og duha. Tapos, gidugangan pod og duha ka nurses. Okay? Then, naghatag siya og 51%. Meaning, after daw gibawasan o gidugangan og duha ka nurses, 51% na daw sa group members kay nurses. So, sa to, pagikuha niya ang ratio sa number of nurses over sa total number of group members. So, we can say that 51% is equal to number of nurses, so n plus 2, over total number of members, so that is n minus 2 plus n plus 2. Or simply, 0.51 is equal to n plus 2 over 2n. Solving for n is equal to 100.